Hi, students. I'm Miss Hecelius, for those of you who I haven't met in a Zoom meeting yet. I'm really excited to be working with you guys doing remote pre-AP biology. I'm going to give you a little tour of our new Canvas because I did make one that is just for remote students to hopefully make things much simpler for you guys and my in-person students. I want to start with the homepage here. Every week, I'm going to link the module that we're currently should be working on. I also have here all of my Zoom tutorials times for this week. I'm going to update it every single week. As you can see, this week I have 2 after-school options, one on Wednesday, one on Thursday, and then I do have a second period option and a 7th period option. Now, some of you are students in my 5th period, or it says in your schedule that you have me 5th period. 5th period is an in-person class for me personally, so this just means during 5th period, you should probably be using that time to work on biology because that would be great time management for you. But tutorial times would need to be in any of these 4 options. Just because it's second period doesn't mean you can't make it if your second period time fits in. It just whatever fits in your schedule. And for anybody, not just 5th period kids, but any of you, if none of these work, email me and I will do what I can to set up a time that we can Zoom if you have questions. But basically, the way this class is going to work is everything's asynchronous, and then tutorial times are optional, but highly recommended, especially if you have questions. Okay. The Zoom link and password will always be here. I might change the password every now and then, so just check that. But the Zoom link should always be the same, and it'll always be located here. So then let's go to our module for this week. I know some of you did not have me as your teacher last week, and so it's very important that you start with the pacing guide every week, but especially this week. It has some information for downloading my digital notebook that I want you to keep so you can take your notes in. So you need to download this presentation. It will force you to make a copy and then share your link to your copy in this form so that I can look at it, take grades, make sure you're on task and doing notes and stuff. Everybody this week, whether you've already downloaded your notebook and you had me last week or not, and you're doing it this week, needs to, in your notebook, set your first 9 weeks goal and action plan. And that's on the goal tracker page in your digital notebook, which is already linked. It's one of the things I pre-linked for you. Okay, so then we're starting new stuff this week. We're going to do chemistry, a review. A lot of it's review from middle school for you guys, but some of it, the bonding stuff, might be new. It's very important to complete this lesson by Friday, no later than, but between the 8th and 9th would be the best. So again, this pacing guide is an overview of what we're doing every week and suggested time period for you to do it. So I suggest you do this the first 2 days, get all this stuff done. And then I suggest you work on this the last 2 days, September 10th and 11th. So complete this Nearpod lesson, and it automatically submits once you complete it. And just make sure you put your first and last name when you click the link in the modules. And then water, we're going to be doing a couple different things with water. Again, here you need to download a slide into your digital notebook. I have made tutorial video for how to do that. I have a couple different tutorial videos for how to do things in Google and Canvas. I will show you the link, the module for where all those are located. But then you need to watch this video and complete the basically handout that's on the slide. Take notes on your own. These notes can be in any format you want them to be in. They can be handwritten notes that you take pictures of and then put the picture in your digital notebook, or they can use the templates that are at the bottom, like at the back of your digital notebook, and there's Cornell notes, there's other different formats, or just any kind of digital format you want is fine. Just typing notes onto the slide pages, it works as well. So whatever works for you, it's completely up to you. But then after doing all that, the final assignment for the week is to complete this water properties assignment. So let's go back to our module. So I can show you what this kind of looks like here. So here's the lesson for Nearpod. Here's the slide downloaded. It even gives you a little information on how to. Here's the video you need to watch, the PowerPoint notes, and then the final assignment. I'm going to go back to home real quick just to show you the tutorial videos location. Down here at the bottom, link to tutorial videos. This link will always be there in every tutorial video that I make. I'm going to put in this module right here. So this is all 3 that I've currently made, how to import slides into your digital notebook. Just a basic overview of the digital notebook. Those are really important for you to watch if you haven't already done so. I really recommend it. And then again, submitting things in Canvas, making sure you have the right link. That's also an important one to watch. This is what we're doing this week. I know some of you who are new to me, did not do any of this stuff. I don't want you to be worried about it right now. I will get you guys caught up slowly but surely on that stuff. If you have any questions at all week long, feel free to email me anytime, and then attend any of these tutorials if you can make it. You can attend 1, you can attend 4, you can attend none. It's really up to you, but I really recommend them if you have questions, especially since we're learning new content this week and it's not just review over scientific method. I hope you guys have a great week. I will talk to you again next week or sometime during the week if you email me or I see you in a Zoom tutorial. Bye.